Despite facing significant economic challenges while growing up in the inner city, Rheanna Robinson continues to excel academically, demonstrating resilience, determination, and a strong commitment to her education. She's everything Jamaican, and it's such a joy to share her story with you this morning. Hi, Rihanna.
Hello.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time.
Thank you for having me.
Listen, I was asking Rihanna if she's sure she have enough blows for all of this. Tell me, so you grew up in Grantspen. Mm-hmm. What was that like for you as a young girl?
It was a little scary, mm-hmm. but because like how my grandmother raised us to be, it didn't feel like how people would think it would feel like. Yeah. I think I had a pretty normal childhood, despite where I grew up. Like, it was fine. She always like protected us, and I didn't feel unsafe because of like where I live.
Yeah, yeah. Went to St. Francis Primary.
Yes, I did.
Hey, talk to me about that experience. Is that where your love for sciences and technology started?
Not necessarily. I think that's where my love for reading blossomed. Mm-hmm. And I think that's probably where the most like pivotal moments in my life occurred. Mm-hmm. My grade 5 primary, my teacher in grade 5, she also taught me in grade 6, Mrs. Henry. She was really inspirational. I thought she was the coolest person ever. She was just so smart, so eloquent, and I looked up to her. And I don't think I took my academics like as serious until she was like, Rihanna, you need to get your act together.
Whoa.
Like, your grandmother is depending on you, your family's depending, you need to get, and I was like, okay, let me get my act together. And I think that's kind of where all of this like started to happen.
Yeah, she was like, understand yourself.
Yeah,
and
she was really strict with it too.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay. And then that's when I really started like trying and doing my best in school.
Yeah. What was that like for you, Rheanna? What keeps you focused? Because there are a lot of young people that I meet and they really, really want to do well. Mm-hmm. But they get so distracted is the word I'm going to use, by their environment, by colleagues, so many other things. What kept Rihanna so focused?
Okay. I feel like people always assume that I don't get distracted too, but I do, so I can totally relate. Mm-hmm. However, I think my goals in life are just way, like what I want to achieve, I really want it. I want it really badly. Mm-hmm. So even though I get distracted sometimes, I remember like what the end goal is, and the people who look up to me and who I'm doing this for, like my siblings. I remember them, and I just be like, okay, I have to just keep pushing, and I have to keep doing what I have to do. So.
Going back to the why. So when I introduced you, I said you were offered scholarships I said 3, but it's actually 4: MIT, Harvard, Princeton, and UPenn. Girl, like, in order to apply for those schools, you have to know that my academics are on fleek. I don't know if that's an old people term now for these young people. Yeah. What gave you that confidence that these are the schools that I know will be lucky to have me?
Okay, actually, that just reminded me of something that one of my Harvard interviewer actually talked about. He was like, a lot of Jamaicans don't apply because they feel like they can't get in. Mm-hmm. However, with so first of all, me applying to those schools was really because of like their the amount of financial aid that they can provide to international students. So it's a small list of schools that would have met my financial needs. So that kind of eliminated some options for me. But then I told myself, like, you don't know until you try. So I can't reject myself before they reject me. I have to put myself out there, and I'll be like, you know what, I think I have it. Let me try and let's see what they say.
That's a word. I can't reject myself before they reject me. I love it. And so you're an AIM scholar. Mm-hmm. Tell me about that AIM program and how it helped you to guide you into this path as well.
So I've been an AIM scholar since I was in grade 11. Mm-hmm. And basically what they did is they provided me with SAT resources. So I did SAT classes with them. They paid for me to sit the exam like 2 times.
Wow.
They basically help with all the financial aspect of the college application process because it can be a lot. Mm-hmm. They helped me with my essays, that type of thing. Mm-hmm.
Excellent. And SATs, for people who don't know, are the scholastic aptitude tests that you have to take for schools to kind of have an inclination of how bright you are. And in your case, like, what was your SAT score? Through the roof?
It wasn't that my final SAT score was a 1500.
All right.
The highest is a 1600.
And the girl said it wasn't that great. Oh, come on, Rihanna. My SAT would probably be 20. So have you decided which school? Or you don't have to tell me if you don't want to. You've made a decision, though.
I have.
You
the
have.
National Decision Day was May 1st.
It was May 1st. Oh, so you can't tell me then. What was the decision?
I'm going to MIT.
And what are you going to pursue at MIT?
Electrical engineering, and I hope to focus on like how I can, better the environment with that. Mm-hmm.
Oh man, it's a big step, but I think you're ready for it. Are you excited?
I am very nervous for the cold, but I think I can manage.
No, the cold is like a girl. You're going to MIT. They have warmers up there. Don't worry about that one. What would you say? Because I think AIM was very instrumental, as you said, in the process. What would you say to other students who are thinking about this process, but they feel so overwhelmed? Mm-hmm. How can AIM help them through it?
Okay, so it really helps if you start early, like the earlier the better. Mm-hmm. Honestly, it's a long process. But if it's something you really want, then I would say like don't give up on yourself yet. Just try, push the course. Working with people who are experienced in the field and they can like direct you because they know, okay, when are the deadlines, what you need to do, how the essays are supposed to be written. So like working with AIM can really help you with that. And especially, and for people who don't, have the money to afford that type of service, that's why the fellowship exists. So you can apply for that like I did. I didn't pay for any of the things I got. And they helped me a lot. So,
yeah. Do you know why I love it? Because there are a lot of students who miss out on an opportunity just because they don't know the process and they don't know what to do. And if there's somebody that can guide you, just bring what you have and they'll do the rest. And I love it. And I think that's what you did. You brought everything to it. Janella says you're her daughter. Ignore her. Janella just wait until your bus big. Then she said, oh, that's my daughter. No, but I told you off air that you are such a fine example to your community, to your school, to Jamaica, and absolutely to yourself. I hope you're very proud of yourself because I see such greatness in you and who you will become. Remember, you're Jamaican, because when you go up there and get all them big grades, some other country going to claim you and say, oh, she's ours. But Rihanna, congratulations.
Thank you.
And all the best to you. Who you want to big up this morning before you go?
Oh my God. Oh, you shouldn't have given me the opportunity. Honestly, I think I'm where I am right now because of so many amazing people. Like, I think I have a really good village around me. So I have to use the opportunity to big up my aunt in Canada for just taking care of me, like, after my grandmother passed away. I have to big up Auntie Michelle for looking out for me. I currently live with my friend's parents. So the Nightingales, thank you guys so much for... oh my God, I'm gonna get emotional.
It's okay.
I have to big up my friend.
It's okay. It's okay.
Orville for just being like a great support system, and of course the AIM team. There's so many people I can't list you all, but I really do sincerely appreciate all the people that I have in my life, my friends, everybody. Oh my God, I love you guys. So yes,
we love you too, girl. Wow, isn't she a champion? Love it. Immaculate Conception High student and Jamaican.
Wait, can I say one thing
Please
too before I leave? Like, I think this is just so important for other students out there who, don't know what they want to do, or they don't come from a family with like money, that type of thing. Don't be scared to ask for help. Like, trust me, they say that closed mouths don't get fed. I've literally asked for everything. Don't expect anything, of course, and always be grateful, but don't be scared to put yourself out there. Don't doubt yourself. And yeah, so see.
People, that's the name of the book, Closed Mouths Don't Get Fed, coming to you from Rheanna Robinson. Thank you, my darling.
Thank you for having me.
Still to come, we continue to celebrate Child Month with a performance from Casey and Blackwood. We'll soon come.